To make batata vadas, I take some boiled potatoes and then added some chopped green chilies, garlic, ginger, and some coriander leaves. Then I added some jeera powder, some dhaniya powder, little bit of garam masala, and little bit of red chili powder. It's up to you if you want to add red chili powder or not. Then I added some little bit of turmeric powder. Now I use turmeric powder because it has a very good antibiotic properties. And then I added some sesame seeds, a little bit of sesame seeds because it is a healthy fat and also it is rich in calcium. Then I added 1 tablespoon of sugar and then amchur powder. Then mix it up and make a little balls of it like this. Yup. And then in a separate bowl take 1 bowl of chickpea flour and then add some salt to taste and some dhaniya jeera powder to eat, and also you can add some red chili powder if you want to add it, and add some baking soda and add water. Mix it together thoroughly and make a batter. So, chickpea flour is rich in protein because chickpea is very rich in protein content and also carbohydrates. So, you can consume chickpea flour if you are a vegetarian and you want to, increase your protein intake. Then we will add these tiny balls into the batter and we'll cover it up with the batter. Next, in a pan or kadai, we will heat the oil and then put these tiny small batata vadas into a hot oil, and our batata vadas are ready. It is delicious. Also, potatoes are good source of carbohydrate and it is easy to digest. Also, it contains vitamin C, and again we are using chickpea flour, so it is rich in protein. But do not forget to remove excess oil with tissue paper.